the title, you can tell we are back with the hair finesse, and you know I love switching it up. So if you want to see how I got this little unit slayed and laid, then I would suggest that you stick around and keep on watching. This is a 10-inch celebrity style cut bob. This unit is a 4x4 lace closure. I have never installed a closure on myself, and this is the second time in life that I've ever worn a closure. I bleached the knots of this unit because I wanted it to look a lot more natural. Mind you, the unit could be worn straight out of the box because the knots weren't too big and the lace came pre-plucked. I didn't do any additional plucking. It came as how it is right now, but I went ahead and bleached the knots just for my liking. After I did that, I co-washed the unit, and as you can see here, I'm adding some curls, and I just want it like effortless and light, and you know, just like it's just giving soft life. The aim of this unit was to be so effortless, so simple, and so classy, nothing too much, but also not too boring wearing it straight. This unit is already parted as a side part unit, so I wanted to show you that, you know, closures, you have the versatility of doing it as a side part as opposed to thinking you only can wear it in center part. So I really love this unit for that reason. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below. It will be here on the screen, and this unit is from LUVMEHAIR.com. Again, this is 10 inches and it's their celebrity style cut bob. I really enjoyed, you know, doing this unit. I enjoyed adding the curls, seeing how it would just, you know, suit my face, and also I enjoyed that it was easy. There wasn't a lot of cutting. Honestly, I am with you when you say closures are way easier. I could get away with not putting glue onto this, not putting any spray or anything onto this, and it would still be so snug on my head. This is definitely your go-to unit for work, for school, and just embracing that soft life for 2022. Just classiness, just simplicity. This is definitely the unit, and it's really on my vibe. And what did it for me was that these curls are just popping. It's simple, but yet doing just enough. So if you're looking for a unit that is affordable, that is also easy to install, beginner friendly, then you should check out LUVMEHAIR.com. The link will be in the description box and on the screen here for your viewing, for, you know, if you want to go ahead and get this, everything will be there for you. It's just one click of a button and it will be yours. So I love this unit. I really hope you guys loved it as well. Really hope you found this to be like really simple and easy, and not saying that. It's really simple. I really hope you guys thought that as well. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. And most importantly, share this video to your friends who may be looking for, you know, easy to install units, looking for affordable units, all of that, because we know we're trying to save these coins. This will definitely give you the feels of, you know, switching it up but not breaking the bank. So everything will be linked down below. Check that out, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, comment. Again, I can't stress this enough. and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.